Welcome back, everyone. We're excited for the new school year.
The BLS is ready for you.
We're excited for middle school this year.
Upper school, the spike ball donut is waiting for you. I have been working on my lateral movement all summer to be able to crush the competition.
I'm excited for class to start.
Oh, I'm just getting the costumes ready.
Getting ready for a healthy school year.
Ready to take you to school.
Ready for fall sports.
Preparing devices for the new year.
Hey, we're just here pulling some ivy to get rid of these invasive species on our campus. Can't wait to see you.
We're just getting campus ready.
And we're excited to see you.
I'm Aiden. And I'm Tasha, and we're the annual giving team. We just want to thank you. It's incredible all the things that CG Fund makes possible.